Touchdown. Santo Domingo, $54, rooftop view. You know the vibe. Travel POV. Yeah. 54 night, rooftop lights. Cold jacuzzi, but the mood still right. She pulled up, yeah, the city went live. Ran out of beers, had to make two rides. 54 night, no hot water. Still made memories, went a little harder. Santo Domingo, I came for the view. Left with a story that I had to tell you. Landed in the city with the carry-on pack. Found a little Airbnb, put the price.
I'm in Santo Domingo Este. People kept telling me about booking place in Santo Domingo Este, but it's all right to me. So here is the Airbnb. I stayed one night. It was $54 for one night. Now the thing about this is, I get a lot of this in Santo Domingo. I don't get this a lot in Santiago. This place only had it did not have hot water. Like, I understand hot water not for the jacuzzi, but hot water overall, nah, that wasn't for me. It's still a great place. It is on the roof of the place, which was like a little crazy, but it's extremely private. Now, the only thing too is this place. I tried to sleep, and it was a Sunday night, and I guess they were playing noise all day. Had a flight the next day. They were playing noise all night, and those walls were thin. So, this could be a good chill spot and all that other stuff for the price. You know, you get a jacuzzi, you get a nice little one bedroom. You can see inside, like, has the mirror, has the one bedroom, but that's about it. Not really a kitchen. Has the air conditioner, always get air conditioned, but like I said, no hot water, even when you shower, you know. So this one was not for me. And next time I have to look, when I'm looking for places, to find one that has hot water all the time, because this was crazy. Even though this place did look nice, it's not for me. But if if you're a person on a budget and want something cheap, this will probably be the spot. So this was one of those nights that I started off simple and turned into a whole story. I met one of the girl in one of the Chica groups on my trip, and we had actually been talking for weeks. By the time I got to Santo Domingo, we already had a little connection going, so we decided to finally link up in person. I had drinks in my Airbnb at first. I had like 5 or 6 Smirnoffs from the store downstairs. You know what I'm saying? So she came over, um, and we started drinking some Smirnoff. And then I realized, like, 5 minutes after, maybe like, let's say 10 or 15 minutes after she came, that girl drank all my Smirnoffs. So I had to order more. So I went in and got like 6 or 7 more. She began drinking more. Those finished too. I had to go back to the store and buy some more. But we had a chill, good time. We laughed. We were in the Airbnb. We were in the jacuzzi. The jacuzzi was cold, man. It was cold that night. I don't know what it was, but it was cold that night. So it didn't hit like how it should be hitting. So that's one thing I gotta figure out about Santo Domingo is ones with hot water, because that to me was hard to find. But she was cool. But after, we had good energy, everything night ended well. But after that, we never really talked anymore. So I don't know what it was. I don't know if anything, but it was no drama. She still says hi here and there, but nothing really went back. So maybe I'll see her on my next trip. Who knows? So that's just my little story. I know I'm not good at these story times, but I'm improving. And by the way, if you want to know any of the Chica groups, well, on Vacation Time Ryan, he has a dating group. If you're interested, just hit him up. I don't know if he's still taking people for him, but if you're interested in that, you could do those. There's other groups too, but I'm not gonna say them. But yeah, Santo Domingo is not my favorite place. I'm more into Santiago, but this place was all right, and I had a fun time with her. Had the greatest night ever with her. So it was just a chill vibe. She spent the night, and we yeah, and that was it. That's the story of that time in Santo Domingo.
Touchdown. Santo Domingo, $54, rooftop view. You know the vibe. Travel POV, yeah. 54 night, rooftop lights. Cold jacuzzi, but the mood still right. She pulled up, yeah, the city went live. Ran out of beers, had to make two rides. 54 night, no hot water. Still made memories, went a little harder. Santo Domingo, I came for the view. Left with a story that I had to tell you. Landed in the city with the carry-on pack. Found a little Airbnb, put the price on the map. $54, man, I thought it was a steal. Private rooftop jacuzzi, thought the setup was real. AC blowing, got the room feeling cold, but the shower had me freezing, man, the water wasn't bold. Thin walls, loud nights, people moving outside. Still stepped on the terrace like, yeah, it's my vibe. City lights shining, whole skyline lit. Phone in my hand, told the people watch this. Santo Domingo got a story on deck, not just another state. This one earned respect for a night. Rooftop lights, cold jacuzzi, but the mood still right. She pulled up, yeah, the city went live. Ran out of beers, had to make two rides. 54 night, no hot water. Still made memories, went a little harder. Santo Domingo, I came for the view. Left with a story that I had to tell. Been talking for weeks, finally linked that night. She pulled through the gate and the timing felt right. Had the Smirnoff ready, couple bottles on chill. Didn't know the whole pack wasn't lasting for real. One drink, two drinks, then the fridge went bare. Looked down like, hold up, how the bottles disappear. Went downstairs once, came back with the stack. Then I had to go again, man, imagine that. Cold water hitting, but the vibe stayed hot. Rooftop in the city, gate of night. Everything you got, no pressure, no promises, just living the scene. One of those travel stories you remember forever, you feel me? No hot water, no quiet walls, but the city still calling when the nighttime falls. You can plan a trip, but you can't plan a night. That's why real travel stories always hit different, right? 54 night, rooftop lights. Cold jacuzzi, but the mood still right. She pulled up, yeah, the city went live. Ran out of beers, had to make two rides. 54 night, no hot water. Still made memories, went a little harder. Santo Domingo, I came for the view. Left with a story that I had to tell you. Santo Domingo Este, 4 nights, $54 Airbnb. Cold jacuzzi, 2 beer runs. Travel POV. Passport full of stories, I don't care what it costs. Cold jacuzzi, hot night, bottles on deck. Flight was cheap, but the memory's expensive. Santo Domingo, yeah, I came for the scene. Living big on a budget, still chasing the dream. Yeah, landed in the DR, wheels hit ground. A ride jet cheaper, so I switched that route. No first class ticket, but I still flew clean. Now I'm in the